Uzak Shahir. In the next episode of Uzak Shahir, Atis may become the center of dangerous alliance when Nair discovers that he has been investigating Shahir's death for his own reason. Atis will explain that one of his men was also killed during the chaos surrounding the wedding, and both deaths may have been ordered by the same unseen figure. Nair will not trust him, but she will need his access to village and people who refuse to speak with Alboras. Together, they will follow our trail to an abandoned warehouse where weapons used in the attack were stored. Their partnership will be tense. Nair will act from grief and anger, while Atis will insist on patience. He will repeatedly stop her from walking into traps, and she will accuse him of treating her as weak. Atis will answer that he knows she is strong, but strength without control is exactly what their enemy expects. This line will create a new emotional dynamic without erasing Nair's love for Shaheen. At the warehouse, they will find a scarf belonging to Mariam and a list of payment made after the wedding. One payment will be linked to a company connected to Anwar's restaurant in Budapest. Nair will be immediately tell Jihan, who will prepare to confront Anwar. Atis will advise against it, suggesting Anwar's business may have been used without his knowledge. Meanwhile, Sadakat will discover Nair and Atis are working together and react with fear rather than anger. She will reveal that Ati's father once swore revenge against the Albora family after a broken marriage agreement. Nair will wonder whether Atis is helping her only to gain access to Jihan. Atis will admit he originally returned to settle an old account, but Shaheen's death changed his purpose before he can explain more. Their vehicle will be attacked on a mountain road. Atis will protect Nair and lead her storage through a narrow canyon while armed men search for them. During the escape, Nair will find a pendant around his neck containing a photograph of Sadakat as a young woman. Atis will say it belonged to his mother, leaving Nair stunned by a possible family connection. The episode may end when Atis brings Nair safely to the mansion, tells Sadakat that the time for silence is over. He then announces before everyone that his mother's last wish was for him to learn which Albora betrayed her, and he believes the answer is hidden in